today we're going to be fixing a real common problem, especially on Hondas. I've experienced it on all my Hondas. It's pretty much when your battery terminals, like you tighten them on all the way, and they'll be as tight as they can go, but you can still, like, if they feel like they're on, you could still like wiggle them, and they just pop right off. And it's because the post is too slim, and if the connection between the post and the terminal is not right, the car will just click and everything will like shut off and you won't be able to start it. And because the car vibrates, it happens a little more often than you would think. So to fix that, I found a real simple solution. It costs about $2.50. They're called battery post shims. That's what they look like. Around $2.50. And to tighten and loosen the battery terminal, you're going to need a size 10mm socket and a little ratchet. So let's get started. Even though the battery terminals are loose, you're going to want to loosen them a little bit extra, because when the battery post shims go on, they're going to be a little extra fat, so you're going to have to make sure the battery terminal is loose enough to fit over it. So we're going to take our 10mm socket, take off the negative one first. Loosen it a decent amount. We're going to take it off. We're going to set it down there. And then we're going to move to the positive side. That should be good. Set those over there. Kind of like pull on it to get some extra slack. Then you can pull it. You can set it down over there. Just take extra precautions. Come over here. Open these up. Gonna come over here. This one on. Should fit pretty snug. And put one on that side, and if it is a little loose, the shape of it is meant to where when you clamp it down, it'll squeeze it, makes it a little extra flexible, and it'll tighten on. I'm gonna come over here, put the positive one on first. If it doesn't fit, then just try and loosen it a little bit more, kind of stretch it out. I'm gonna really trying to wiggle it on there. Just trying to spread it apart. So we actually had to get a flathead screwdriver so we can help pry this open a little, so it can fit around the battery post shims like that. And you use the screwdriver handle if you need to. This side, that side, this side, that side. Kind of wiggle it on there. Get that side nice and snug. We're going to do this side. Make sure it doesn't touch any other metal while you're doing this. Gotta kind of wiggle in there. It's a little tough. There we go. Get that sucker open. See if we can't. Do was take the bolt and nut out of the battery terminal so it would open more. And what we're going to actually have to do is we're going to use some pliers to pull the tabs to where they're more aligned, so we can put that in there. go. See if we can squeeze it a little more.
Why squeeze it more?
So now we're going to thread the nut into the bolt. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Okay, then we're going to tighten up this side, that side, and we should be good to go. So as you can see, these are now very tight. No car vibrations are going to wiggle those off. And I hope this video helped you guys out because I know a lot of Hondas are like this. And if any other cars are having this problem, let us know in the comments below so you can help educate us on other cars that are having this problem. And if you liked the video, click the like button. And make sure to subscribe, which should be over there somewhere in the top part of the screen. And if you want to see another video, it should be down here somewhere. And there should be another one down here. So, thank you guys. See you guys next time on Young Gearheads. Later.